In the last video, I built a custom extruder tool head for the Ender 3 tool changer and even got it to print something. However, that's only one tool head in a tool changer, so I made another one, but I wasn't able to use it because the stock Ender 3 board only supports one extruder. So I made a couple upgrades. First, I installed a new board. I picked the Big Tree Tech Octopus, and I'll explain in a bit why I picked it, and a Raspberry Pi to control that. So let's get started. Unfortunately, I don't have any build footage because it's been a really busy past few weeks, and I've just been like spending 5 minutes at a time building this thing. But here's the machine. You can see the second tool head here. This is the bottom of the machine, and this entire thing is the Big Tree Tech Octopus. It's a pretty popular board in the Voron community, but I picked it because it just met all my requirements. These are the TMC 2209 stepper drivers, and this board features modular stepper drivers, so like I can like remove this and swap it out for a different one if it like breaks or I have different requirements. And this is the Raspberry Pi. I put a fan mount on here, but I couldn't actually connect this fan because it's a 24 volt fan, not a 5 volt fan. I tried my best to cable manage it, but yeah, this is about the best I could get. These things here, these actually raise up the machine by 40 millimeters to allow the board to go under the machine because there isn't enough space in the original electronics enclosure for this board. One thing that I did struggle with was getting the display working, and I tried Marlin first, but Marlin didn't even, I don't think it liked the board. It didn't want to show up on my computer, so I tried Clipper, and Clipper worked first try, but the display did not, so I did some research, and eventually I got it working. It's not pretty, however, I can add custom menus, which is really what I need. So this is the printer. It is ready. Both extruders are ready. And first, I'm going to try some macros. Then once I try the macros, I'm going to run the first multicolor print on this machine. So that didn't go to plan. I had to like push it in because I think the magnets got unaligned somewhere along the process. So I think I'm just gonna have to tweak that a very tiny bit and run it again. So I did a whole bunch of tuning, and now I think with some help, like, I'm getting some more wobble on here, which is a problem. And like this is also like breaking. I have to print another one, and this one is broken somewhat. I can still use it though. And this side's all like glued up and stuff. So hopefully I can run the, I'll actually do undock T, yeah, undock T0. I think the last time I did try undock T0 and then it didn't work. I'm just gonna push it back like that because that's, oh shoot. That wasn't such a good idea. Okay. It should be able to go on its own now. I thought this might be an issue, but when I move it all the way over here, it doesn't actually knock this out. That's great. But now, what about docking it? Let's try that. It should go to the left of the dock. Oh, that's a bit risky. Oh, no, it's fine. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to redo the design or make this in a different material because this is not good. I might need to give this a bit of help too. I don't think it needed that help. And it should go go in, just like that, and it comes out. Perfect. And let's put it back in the dock. This is what I'm worried about because I was having issues like testing this, so I hope there won't be any problems with this. I was barely touching it and it went in. So I loaded on this tool head. Let's see if I can just send the T1 command to do everything. So over here, if I just click T1. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Why is it doing that? Stop. I fixed the G-code, let's try again. It should dock this and then pick up this. Success. I think it might be going down too far, like that's just a bit unnecessary. Why is it just going back up? I fixed it, I'm running it again. How did that happen? It's fine for now. Okay, it's moving to the right place. That's a good sign. No. Okay, I did like something. I didn't capture it on camera, this docking. But this should go. Just like that. So I took all the tool heads out and did some debugging. And I think I'm confident enough to try it with the tool heads now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. Oh no, the magnet came off. I don't know if I actually helped it or if the magnet fixed itself. I don't think I helped it at all. Please, please don't like collide or anything. Oh, it worked. I was having problems with that. Aligned. Oh. The entire dock wasn't even... It got clicked. Shoot. Yeah, it's fine. Get in. Get in. Perfect. So now I'm gonna try a multicolor print. Okay, so I got everything heated up. Filament is loaded. Yeah, as you can see, some is like coming out of the nozzle, and I got the Z offsets calibrated, and it's time to print. I actually uploaded a file from Clipper Web or Mainsail, whatever. It should appear in here. Oh, it does. That's nice. Okay, let's go. Print. Did it do anything? Doesn't seem like it. Oh, wait, start printing. Oh, it's moving? It's doing something. Hopefully that something is starting to print. Okay, I think it heated all the way. It's going back down. I think it should start printing now. Oh, it's printing in midair, I think. What's happening? That's like a perfect first layer. I think it's just luck, honestly. How did it get such a perfect, like... This is better than my Anycubic Cobra 2 Max. No auto leveling. This is like hand leveled, and I spent like 2 minutes on it. Okay, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. Oh. It needs to retract before doing that. Oh no, what? Hello? Did it just stop? The issue seems to be with the software end stop, but look at these perfect first layers. Like, absolutely perfect. Okay, I fixed the issue, and new print. Let's see if I got the bed leveling No, I did not. That... That's far from perfect. It doesn't really matter, I'm not printing a quality part. So, I got the Z offset somewhat fixed. It could use a bit more fixing. It seems like this is getting under extrusion. I'm not sure if it's the feeder, but it's not bad. And with a bit more tuning, we can get multicolor prints, like quality prints. So it can print something, just not very well. I need to tune various factors like Z offset, X offset, even Y offset. Like all the offsets are really what needs tuning. Also like retraction and stuff. But as you could see, we're back to issues with the toolhead docking. So I've just decided to completely redesign the entire mechanism, which will probably be next video. And making the toolhead dock is actually kind of hard because if the tolerance is very tight, then it's hard to actually get into the dock and it might get stuck. However, if the tolerance is too loose, as you could see in the video, it basically ruins everything. Also, I need to find a way to get each extruder almost identical, that way their offsets won't be that big of a deal. And the second tool head did suffer from some issues during assembly, like some parts like snapped and I had to glue them back together, so that could be the cause. But now let's talk about the future of this project. So right now, you can actually get all the project files on GitHub. The link is in the description. Everything except the bill of materials is up there. Hopefully I'll get an up-to-date bill of materials soon. But if you really wanted to, you can build this machine yourself. I have also started making plans on selling these. I don't really have a timeline or anything like that, but I have started making plans, and I am going to start tidying things up in this machine to get it ready for everyone to use. And this is what I call phase 1, which is just the tool changer and that stuff. Phase 2 is what I said I would do in the first episode in this series, and that is printing a PCB on this machine. So phase 2 is probably going to be a lot longer, a lot more difficult, definitely a lot more expensive, but hopefully I can make it work. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to check out the GitHub if you're interested in building your own or just contributing. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video, and I'll see you later.